Hey friends, welcome back to part 2 of my organizing my wall of books bookshelf extravaganza. I don't know what else to call it. As you guys just saw, or if you guys have seen the last video of me putting these shelves together and all of that, that was a fun time. So yeah, welcome to part 2, which is essentially all going to be me trying to organize these books. It's a lot. Hi friends, welcome back to a new day. My dad is coming over tonight to help me push all of the bookshelves together, which means I have to get all of the books off of these shelves. I probably tried to film a clip for this that you might have just seen, but today is the day. I've already started here, so we'll see by the time we're done. I have a feeling this entire floor is going to be covered. Wish me luck. Update on the current situation. There's so much more to go. New status. We still have that whole shelf to go. Another check-in. Here's where we are with the shelves, and here's where we are with the books. Oh. Okay. We did it. The shelves are empty, and this is the current situation. Don't ask me how many it is. I'm not counting until they go back on the shelves. But this is quite a lot. Here's the update. They're all in the middle of the room. I need to get new pegs for that shelf because they got lost during the move. So it is now 8:30 at night. Let's start putting books on the shelf. I have a general idea, this is so many books, of how I want to do this. So let's go over that too real quick. The top is going to be classics. Bottom is going to be children and middle grade, like paperbacks. These two are going to be unread, and these are going to be mostly read. These are going to be more like, because it's kind of harder to reach back to this one. This is going to be more like, I don't know, maybe nonfiction stuff I don't have to access nearly as often. So let us begin. And an hour later, this is what we're working with. I'm pretty freaking pleased with myself, I'm not gonna lie. So basically what I've done is generally sectioned out the books with where I think they're going to go, and then I'm going to work through each shelf to make sure everything's where I want it. Do I have more books than 4 bookshelves will fit? Yes, I do. Are we going to get creative with what this looks like? Yes, we are. Do I know how many books there are on these shelves? No, I do not. So at this point, what we're generally doing is classics along the top, nonfiction on this row, shorter hardcover here, taller hardcover here, paperback here, middle grade here, middle grade here, bigger hardcover, and graphic novels. So that's the general take. The only books that we have left are these ones here. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with myself for 45 minutes. So for now, this is the current setup. Pretty happy with it. All right, bottom row is done. Rows 2 and 3, we're about halfway done. So excited. It's coming along. I'm gonna leave this section for right now not finished because my dad has to still anchor these shelves to the walls, and so these were gonna have to come down at some point anyways. But we can kind of get this situated, and then I think it's pretty much done. I still have a small tiny stack of books that I need to sort in, but for now that's fine. So yeah, all that we have left is the nonfiction, which will have some overflow because of the lack of shelf missing, but for right now, I think we're almost there. I'm so excited. Finally got the parts in to add this shelf in, so now time to do my nonfiction, and this bookshelf will be almost done. Hi friends, welcome back to the current situation. So what I'm currently doing is tallying up the total for each of my bookshelves with just these two shelves alone, with not even the top two shelves full, because that's the current situation. I had to get these anchored to the wall yesterday with my dad. We're at almost 800 books with just these two sets of shelves right here. I think it's pretty safe to say I have over 1,000 books. We'll get a final number soon, but wanted to give that fun update. You guys, I did it. I have an entire wall of books and I'm so happy. I don't think you guys understand how much I've wanted this. I've wanted this for so long, and it's finally a reality. It's one step closer to my library room sometime in the future when I have my own place and space. But oh my gosh, this just makes me so happy. I'm looking at it in the mirror opposite filming me, and it's just oh, it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy the filming setup. This variation of this is essentially going to be my background for most of my videos moving forward. These are my two middle shelves, which if I did a full insert of what the shelves currently look like a full film, that's what it was. Oh, also, I know how many books I have. In total in this room, on my shelves, I have, drumroll please, 1,335 books. I'm so happy. It makes me so happy. I officially have a library. I have a library and I'm so happy. It makes me so happy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love it. I might do some reorganization, but I think overall, this is it. This is it. This is the setup. So if you guys did see that clip that I filmed of kind of the overview of everything, the little post-its, if you saw them in that clip, were me counting every book that was on each shelf. So that's what that was. But yeah, I'm so happy. And it's just, it makes my heart so happy. And I'm just so happy with my library. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know what else you guys want to see from me with my library. Do you guys want to see a full bookshelf tour? I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. If I'm ever gonna film that with 1,300 books, that's a lot. I can maybe talk through like certain shelves and things of that nature, but some quick questions that may come up. How I organized everything was kind of how I talked about at the beginning of the video of like organization. The very top shelves, which you guys can't obviously see, is classics, things like that. The second level down all the way across is nonfiction. The third level all the way across is shorter hardcover. The middle one right here behind my head is obviously all of my tall fiction, paperbacks, middle grade, and then the very bottom shelf, which you can't see down below, is like children's and like graphic novels and just like otter shaped books. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I love it so much. It makes me so happy. I've learned that I love organizing things by size. That makes me the happiest because I can generally keep series together that way. Visually, I think it just looks very appealing. Also, for those of you that may ask, this is it's like a little miniature book inset, like capsule. I don't even know what you would call it. I got it in Venice, Italy. So it is a little harder to find, but I know they definitely have them like on Instagram or on Etsy, and yeah, Etsy I think is the place I've seen most of them. They're not cheap, but they're beautiful. Also, this is my little castle that was made by an artist in Portugal. If you guys see that in the clip of the full overview before this one, that is what that is. So yeah, I just love it because it's a place for me to highlight things from my travels. All of my favorite books are on display, and it makes my heart happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more of my face. There will be definitely more videos coming soon, more bookish stuff. I feel like I'm finally back in my mojo of filming again. So yeah, I'm excited. Keep your eyes out. More to come, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.